All right, y'all, welcome to a video. You see I got a new little setup, trying to get official out here. Anyway, I'm going to show you exactly how to install Kiyomi Max. What you need to do, it is the #1 AI business operating platform. It takes your Claude to the next level for those one-man, one-woman startups, for those small businesses looking to cut costs and make more. For those people who are thinking about a business, Kiyomi Max is what you need. You need two things. You need Claude Desktop and Kiyomi Max. I'm going to show you exactly how to do your download and install of both and also give you some indicators if you're a Windows user, exactly what will happen if you try to do this on Windows. It is Windows available, just a few more other things. So here we have our website, start Kiyomi Max, run your business. We've got pictures here. We've got indicators. This is a 30-day money-back guarantee if you aren't satisfied. So trust me, I'm not out here trying to deceive anybody. You get it. You don't like it, I'll give all your money back. Refund, no problems. It's $149 a year or $14.99 a month. Really, this is a steal. And we've got step-by-step directions on how to download it from the website. We've got your comparisons. We even got this part, business blueprints, where say that you don't want to get a Kiyomi Max from scratch and say that you're a plumber or a barber or a construction worker, electrician. You can even get a customized Kiyomi all ready for you. But let me stop yapping. Let me go ahead and get into it. So say that you're a person, you come down, you get Kiyomi, you buy the $149 plan. What's going to happen is you're going to get a welcome email. In that welcome email, you are going to get, and I have to block it out here, but you're going to get a command line. Now, in the past, you had to put the command line into the terminal, all this technical stuff. We're going to go past that first. So say you just bought Kiyomi. Before you go to the welcome email and start working, make sure you go to Claude. So we're just going to go straight from the steps. If you go to Claude AI, you may not see a welcome screen if it's your first time. A screen that you're going to see is going to be more like this, where you are viewing the plans. So you'll want to start, if you don't want to, commit to a lot of money, you can do monthly for $20 a month, or you can do max for $100 a month. This is Anthropic. This is not Richard. This is Anthropic. But you got to have Claude in order for Kiyomi Max to run. Okay? So you pick what you want from Anthropic, either the $20, the $100. If you're a big dog user like me, you can boost this up to $200. And then once you have that, what you'll want to do is it'll prompt you and ask you if you want to get Claude Desktop, the desktop app, Claude Desktop. So we're going to come to the site right here because we don't have Claude Desktop yet. And it's easy to find. All you got to do is go to Google. If it doesn't pop up for you already, you just go to Google and type Claude Desktop, and then just pick one of these links, like, okay, install Claude Desktop right here. Let's visit the Claude downloads page. And remember, you got to have Claude first. Okay, download Claude. We got desktop for Mac, Windows ARM64. We're on Mac, so we're going to go ahead and download it for Mac. And let's come out of full screen here. So we've got it. It's downloaded. Just drag and drop that over there. We'll say this one will replace the one we already have. And I'm just showing you the whole process. So we've got Claude Desktop. We can X that out. Go to our applications. And then scroll up. There we go. We got Claude. So let's double click on it. Let's go ahead and open it up. And let's get started. So Claude for Mac, we'll continue with Google. And we'll pick my name. And see, the cool thing is I'm on a different machine than I usually work off of. So it kind of starts it like it's brand new. So now we got a fresh layout. What we want to do is go over here in the code. Okay, so it's got my stuff that I have on the cloud, but see here, I still have to select a folder to work with. So you select your folder. I'm going to work with just my home folder, R&D team. And then now we go back to our welcome email. And this is where Claude might fight you, so you might have to give it some instruction. We go to our welcome email and we get our Mac command line that it gave us. We're going to copy that, come back to Claude Desktop. We're going to paste it and then give it some directions. We'll say, install this. Come on. I made this program to work within Claude Desktop. And then just tell it, download everything you need in order for install to be successful, because my spelling, because I want to use it now. All right, and just it says accept edits. We don't want that. I mean, it depends on you. I like to work, so I'm gonna go here to settings real quick before I even get started on this. Oh, here we go. Allow bypass permissions. And yeah, okay. So now we can work. Now we can work. So let's go back, and then we trust the workspace, and then we watch it go. So this is so much easier than working in the terminal. You don't have to be a technical person in order to figure this out. You just get in it and see it's getting the install script, and it's going through every move that it needs to do. And it will ask some questions like, should it allow this? Should it allow that? That's where it's different from working on the terminal. The terminal just lets you grow. Lets you just go, with no problems. Whereas this one's a little bit safer, and there's benefits to that, because some drawbacks of the terminal is that while you're working, like in particular stuff for your business, it will have some issues. So it says that it's already installed. So now all you have to do is come here and do, well, let me do bypass all permissions. All you got to do is come here and go start Kiyomi Max. And then you put that command in, and this is your Claude Code Desktop. It launches it, and you'll see the animation for Kiyomi, and you're right there in there. So it's loading up the SQL memory. It's loading up everything that it needs. It knows I talked to it on the other video a couple days ago about the lawn care business. See, because it remembers information platform to platform. So this, unlocking it on Claude Code Desktop, I'll tell you, my personal workflow, I'm not even on my terminal anymore. I've been working from Claude Code Desktop. And look at that, Kiyomi Max AI Business Operating System, and it already remembers me. Hey Rick, welcome back. Here's what I got on file for Vista Lawn Care, grass cutting, edging, Stripe, Google Workspace, X, the revenue goal, get your client. What do you want on your list? Is there something that you have on your mind today? So now I'm ready to get in business. I got it downloaded, installed right here on Claude Code Desktop. For Windows users, it might ask you a couple more questions, might ask you to download something like Git, might ask you for a little bit more, permissions. Just make sure that you do what I did. When you first put that in for Windows, make sure you tell it, hey, I know the developer, I trust it, I need you to download this, and I need you to download everything that you need in order to get this running. This is the installation for Mac and for Windows. It's exactly the same. And if you have any problems, because we're running on Anthropic's, that's Anthropic. But hey, I'm happy that I was able to share this with you all today. Get in the comments, comment, like, subscribe, share this. This is the ultimate business operating system for you one-man, one-woman startups out here. It's what I run my entire business on, and it's amazing. You think about it, you say, why don't I just get Claude Code, things like that. You can get it, and Claude Code is fire. I'm running Kiyomi off of Claude Code, but Claude Code is not customized for what you need. And I'll say this before I leave. Every single upgrade and benefit that Anthropic gets, Kiyomi gets. So, hey, number one competitor to things like OpenClaw, number one competitor to things out there. I mean, this is really what you need. I helped an 87-year-old man and his 65-year-old wife the other day. They're running a t-shirt business. I'll have them coming up soon. One thing I wanted to do too before I go, this will be quick because I don't want this to be a long video. Also too, on my website, if you click showcase, I have AI tools that are built by the community. This woman here, she built a women's health app, Kide Health Intelligence for Women, built the whole thing with Kiyomi. I say this woman, it was actually my wife. But you may want to check this out. I got a lot of men in my audience, but I'm sure y'all have wives and girlfriends. This answers women's health questions. It's a great app. You can talk to Kide for free. Basically how it works is when you go get lab tests, a lot of your lab tests, you just get a thing of, you're fine. Well, what Kide does is Kide will go over your labs and give you what you actually need in order to help yourself, and even gives you questions so that you can advocate yourself with doctors, because we know women's health is not really as studied as men's health. So there are a lot of women around here walking around with a lot of problems, and their doctors just tell them that they're fine. Prices that are actually good in this economy, check this out. This is really, really good. Another one, KA5. This is great for those of you who do have businesses. This brother here, an extremely smart chatbot, but not just a chatbot, really an AI assistant right there on your website that goes live just like that. Check these out. These products were made with Kiyomi. That's what I'm trying to do. If you get Kiyomi and you make something, hey, come down here and submit it, and I'll put it on the website. Let's work together. This is a community now. In the future, I'm going to go more deep into the showcase. For the business templates, I'm really going to go deep on this, because those of you who've got one-man, one-woman businesses, sometimes you don't even want to do any customization with Kiyomi at all. Okay, well, come in here and grab one of these business blueprints, and it already will have all the information about your industry ready for you to go. So, hey, y'all, I hope you had a good one. You can get Kiyomi now, $149 a year or $14.99 a month. Kiyomi Max works right on Claude Desktop, Mac computers, Windows computers, directions right here. 30-day money guarantee back if you're not satisfied. There's nothing that I get nothing out of stealing money from people. That'll make things worse for me. Let's be honorable, let's be respectful, and let's work together. Y'all have a good one. Bye-bye.